You are pretty skeptical about Russian gas flowing again back to Germany and the rest of Europe, yes?
Well, let's say that the interruption of gas supplies through Nord Stream 1 sent a clear signal, I believe, to Europe that Russia is ready to weaponize the use of energy, the supply of energy. And of course, we should remember that looking at the 2006 and 2009 interruptions of gas supplies to Ukraine, the use of the energy weapon is most effective, of course, in the winter months. So by reopening the Nord Stream 1 pipeline, I believe Russia and Gazprom maintain their presence in the European gas market, but there is a clear risk, I believe, that supplies could be interrupted in the winter. And by reducing the capacity at which it's supplying gas to Europe today after reopening Nord Stream 1, it's actually making it much more difficult for the European member states to fill their storage capacity, also taking into account limited availability of alternative sources of gas supply.
Indeed, and this is really, as you suggest, going to put European solidarity to the test. I mean, it's just a couple of more months to go before winter starts over in Europe, and of course, they have been hustling to try and get alternative supplies. Is that going to be too little, too late? I mean, the deals that they've pulled off already with the likes of Azerbaijan, with Nigeria, etc. I mean, it's not going to be able to replace Russian gas, is it?
Yeah, the challenge, of course, is the short-term timelines we're working with. To replace gas in such a short period of time is very difficult. And the Director General of the International Energy Agency has already indicated that it will be very difficult for Europe to achieve their, to refill gas storage capacity to a sufficient level to ensure safe supplies of gas during the winter. So a lot will, of course, depend on energy-saving measures. So it's not just about finding alternative sources of gas supplies. Also, a lot can be achieved by cutting gas use. But of course, that can be damaging to the industries that are heavily dependent on these sources of gas supply.